Hello everyone and welcome to from Toor Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious hotel style sambar. This recipe makes perfect typical South Indian sambar. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहउचंती देन तळे थिबा डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, first take 1 cup of toor dal. Soak it in 1 cup of water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, transfer dal to the pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Close the lid and pressure cook the dal for up to 3 whistles on medium flame. Let the steam release by itself. The dal is perfectly cooked now. Now let's prepare the Sambar Masala. In a kadai, take 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of Chana Dal, 1/4 teaspoon of Fenugreek seeds or methi, 5 dried red chillies, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Dry roast the spices for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 6 to 8 curry leaves and 3 tablespoons of fresh coconut. Saute till the coconuts and curry leaves are dried up. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar and add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or asafoetida. Blend and make powder. Our instant Sambar Masala is ready. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add 2 dried red chillies and 6 to 8 curry leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Hing or asafoetida and then add 1 thin sliced onion. Saute the onion till it turns translucent. After that, add chopped veggies. I have used raw papaya, carrot, beans and drumsticks. Saute the veggies for 4 to 5 minutes. Add salt as per taste. Mix and saute the veggies. Cover and cook the veggies for 3 to 4 minutes. Our veggies have softened now. Add 1 chopped tomato. Give it a mix. And then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Add 3 tablespoons of prepared sambar masala. Mix well with the veggies. Now add soaked tamarind and mix. Add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Mix and melt the jaggery. Now add the cooked dal. Mix it well with the spices. Add 2 glasses of water and mix. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Our sambar is perfectly cooked now. Our delicious hotel style South Indian sambar is ready now. The taste of this sambar is perfect and this goes so well with dosa or idli or vada. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.